This video tutorial I will explain understanding the replication architecture of Mongo database. Here you can see the primary server, and the primary server has all the data, and here you can see two secondary servers. This is the first secondary server, and this is the second secondary server. The data from primary server will be replicated to these secondary server, and the process of copying or replicating primary server data to secondary server is called replication, and these two secondary servers are communicating using a heartbeat. Here you can see the client application. The client application do read and write operation to the primary server, and client application will never talk to the secondary servers. Whenever client application makes any changes in the primary server data sets, the primary server records all changes to its data sets in its operation log, and secondary servers replicate the primary's operation log and apply the operations to their data sets asynchronously. In that way, whatever data is there in the primary server will be there in the secondary server. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.